This is also amazing.
Asuntoskeittiö Tähtipuisto.
Yeah, today on the 30th of March 2025 we have Hallituskatu 18 staircase scheme. They also put the staircase here, and we still need to film the staircases A, B, C, and F here enter in Hämeenlinna, Kone, Päijät-Häme, and the other was not Finland. It was built in late 1970, finished in 1971 with the 6 fixtures. It's in rotation 18578, and we'll try to match here. Also almost impossible to get some.
Yeah.
But it was also Sunday, so it was even more difficult.
Yeah. Niin speedbuggi mä äsken, että meitä ei pautussa on näydet scriptissä.
I don't like the sound system in here.
Same here.
Well, that's it, and thank you very much for watching. Hope we can get to the staircases A, B, C, and F later.
That's
As soon as possible too.